In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. This can be super helpful if you're creating a comprehensive spreadsheet and you want to include images directly within your data. Whether it's for a professional report or a personal project, inserting images directly into cells can enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your Google Sheets. Let's get started by opening up a Google Sheet of your choice. If you don't already have one open, go ahead and open a new spreadsheet now. Once you're in your sheet, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll see several options, but for inserting an image, you want to look for the Insert tab. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down list, select Image. At this point, you'll be presented with two options: Image in Cell and Image over Cells. Since our goal today is to insert an image within a cell, make sure to click on Image in Cell. This will ensure that the image stays neatly embedded and moves with the cell when it's adjusted. Once you choose Image in Cell, you'll be prompted to upload your image. To do this, click on the Browse button. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your files and folders to find the perfect image you wish to insert. Take a moment to search for the image you need. This could be a company logo, a product picture, or any relevant visual you want to embed. After you've located the image you want, click Open. Your chosen image will now upload and appear in the cell you had selected prior. It should fit inside the cell, but if you want the image to be larger or smaller, you'll need to adjust the column width and row height. Simply click on the border between the rows or columns and drag to resize. Keep in mind that resizing is crucial if the default size doesn't quite capture the detail or if you need the sheet to maintain a clean, organized look. Now your image is nicely presented within a cell, and you're all set. This method of embedding images can be a real game changer when you're compiling sheets that need visual references along with data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat these steps on different sheets or with various images to master this skill. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy spreadsheeting.